Uneven thickness with manual powder coating, long color change times, excessive powder waste. The ZHYAO electrostatic powder coating line improves yield and speeds up color changes. The complete line includes pre-treatment equipment, preheating unit, large cyclone powder booth, and curing oven. Workpieces go through pre-treatment, low-temperature preheating, electrostatic powder coating, high-temperature curing in a fully enclosed system. 3 core advantages. High powder recovery drastically reduces material waste. Fast color change, quick cleaning of spray booth and powder feed system. Clean energy heating system, reduces energy consumption and emissions. Also supports customized production with flexible line design to match your production rhythm. Want a custom solution? Drop a comment below.
ZHYAO. Together, we color the world.